Shown is the StrataPF folding and gluing system, finishing a 9x12 pocket folder. The Strata system is capable of running straight line or auto-lock bottom cartons, pocket folders, sleeves, keycard envelopes, and more. The Strata system offers a robust, economical yet productive solution to bringing folding and gluing in-house, all within a surprisingly compact footprint. For more information on the Strata system, please visit www.rollamusa.com or call 800-272-4381 to speak with a Rollam sales representative.